So power of 10 rules. Power of 10's the rules that go with these. So if I have 10 to the a power times 10 to the b power, this is the same as 10 to the a plus b. Okay, so for example, if I have 10 to the 4th times 10 cubed, this is 10 to the 4 plus 3 to the 7th, which the reason why is because this would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, and then 10 to the 3rd is 10 times, it's just little dots, 10 times 10 times 10. So really altogether I have 7 of them. Or how about one with negatives? 10 to the negative 5th power times 10 squared. This will be 10 to the negative 3rd. The next one is if I have 10 to the a power divided by 10 to the b power. This is 10 to the a minus b. So if I have 10 to the 6th over 10 squared, this ends up being 10 to the 4th power, 6 minus 2. Because this is like 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 6 of them on top, 2 of them on the bottom. Cancel, cancel, I'll be left with 4. So that's why. Okay, or how about 10 to the 3rd over 10 to the negative 4th. So this one, and I might want to over the side jot down, 3 minus a negative 4. Well, then that's going to turn into a plus 4, so this ends up being 10 to the 7th. Okay, one more. The next one is if I have 10 to the a power to the b power, I get 10 to the a times b. So if I have 10 squared cubed, this will be 10 to the 6th, 2 times 3. Because this means if I have 10 times 10, and that's to the 3rd power, that means I have 10 times 10, 3 times. 10 times 10, 10 times 10. So it ends up being 6 of them multiplied altogether. Okay, or if I have 10 to the negative 4th to the 5th power. Negative 4 times 5, this will be 10 to the negative 20th.